In this video we are going to learn how to set up a stenograph writer. A Diamante, a Mira, a Luminex, all of those are stenograph writers, and you can use this method for setting them up. So the first thing that we are going to do is you should have gotten a USB cable with the writer, and that's going to go into the port furthest on the left hand side of the Diamante, at least. Then you're going to plug in the other portion of the cable to your desktop. And then you're going to turn on the writer. In some cases, the computer will recognize that you have a writer and will start trying to download drivers for it. I'm going to go into Device Manager. In most cases, you'll find that it installs them just perfectly if you have a good internet connection. And when you go into Device Manager, and I right-clicked on the Start button down here in the bottom left, and went up to Device Manager. And as you see, once it's set up correctly, you will see Steno Machine under Stenograph User USB Writer. But if you don't, then you'll have to install it. I have here downloaded the writer drivers from Stenograph. I'm going to right-click on this zip file. We must unzip it and select Extract All. That's right-click and then Extract All, and then click on Extract. And that's going to extract directly to the desktop, and it's also going to show you where it extracted to and the contents. So we're going to double-click on USB writers and double-click on Stenograph driver install. And I think that's all there is to it. And we'll go back to Device Manager, right-click on your Start button, and go to Device Manager. And here we have, if you see here, it says Steno Machine, and it does not give you a port number. Then in Winner, when you go into real time, go into Preferences, click on the Writer tab, then you're going to set this to Mira USB. If it does give you a COM port number, click on the down arrow key, select Mira, and then select the port number that it has been assigned to it. And click on OK, and you are ready for real time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.